Okay, so let us now move on to our next question. It says that let f vector, which is defined to be xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, and s, which is the sphere given by x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z minus 2 whole square is equal to 4. So what is the sphere that is given to you? It is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z minus 2 whole square is equal to 4, and you can write 4 as 2 square. So that means this sphere has center at the point 2 comma 2 comma 2, and its radius is also equal to 2. So this is the sphere. And if n cap is the unit outward normal to the surface S, then they are asking what is the value of this integration. So what is the value for this surface integral here? So first of all, the first step always is to visualize the given region. So suppose this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, and this is your z-axis. This point is origin. Because we have center at the point 2 comma 2 comma 2, and its radius is also 2, so we would have a circle something like this, somewhere like this, right? So you can imagine the corner of a room. Suppose this is the corner of a room and a ball is lying over there in 3D space. So this is what your sphere look like, having coordinate center at the point 2 2 2 and radius 2, right? So this is our sphere that is given to us. So in this case you are required to calculate the surface integral of this vector f with the dot with the unit outward normal ds multiplied by 1 upon pi. So let us do that. So here we can use Gauss divergence theorem. So according to that theorem, the quantity 1 upon pi integration over s vector f dot with vector n ds, this quantity would be equal to 1 by pi would be as such, right? So this quantity according to Gauss divergence theorem would be equal to triple integration over f, right, and the divergence of the vector f dv. So this is the Gauss divergence theorem, and by the name it has divergence, so we'll apply whatever is the vector f here, the divergence of that vector. So instead of calculating this portion, we'll now focus our concentration onto this particular part. So here let's solve this part. So we have 1 upon pi triple integration over v and del dot vector f dv. Now what is vector f that is given to you? Vector f is given to be xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. So let us first perform the divergence of this thing. So you have 1 upon pi triple integration over the volume v. Now what is del? Del is del by del x I cap plus del by del y j cap plus del by del z k cap dot with the vector f. Vector f is x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, right, into dv. So when you perform this dot product, you will have the component of I multiplied by the component of I. So del x by del x plus the component of y multiplied by the component of y. So del y by del y plus the component of z multiplied by the component of z. So this quantity into dv. Now what is the partial derivative of x with respect to x? That is 1. So you have 1 plus 1 plus 1 here, dv. So accordingly you have 1 upon pi triple integration over the volume v3 dv, right? And you can also take this 3 common, so you have 3 upon pi triple integration over the volume v dv. Now what is this thing? You are performing, you are taking some small portion of the sphere. So suppose this is our sphere. So you are taking some small portion onto this sphere and then you are performing its integration over triple integration over the whole region. So you are taking some smaller volume portion from this sphere, right? And you're performing this integration. So finally you will obtain by performing this integration, you will cover whole of this integration, right? So accordingly, this would become nothing but the volume of the sphere. Now it is up to you whether you wanted to calculate the volume of the sphere using this triple integral, or because we already know what is the volume of any sphere, it is equal to the volume of any sphere, it is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? So this is the formula that you already know from lower classes. And here the radius of this particular circle is given to be 2 in the question, right? Because this was our sphere, so its radius was given to be 2. Therefore in this case I can, instead of this 3 and 3 cancels, so I have pi and pi also cancels, so instead of r I can write 2 cube. So this would be 4 into 8, so our answer would be 32. So 32 is the value of the surface integral which we have calculated using the Gauss divergence theorem here. So two things in the question are required in order to answer this question. First of all, you should know what is the Gauss divergence theorem. Another thing, you should also remember what is the volume of the given sphere. So accordingly, our answer here is 32.